Welcome back. This is for Monday, Advanced Foundation. This is the tutorial. There are 3 sections I'll teach you today. We're going to start facing corner 5, and my recording device is into the mirror, so you shouldn't have to change legs. So here's my right leg, and we're facing corner 5. And we're going to remember to do your your nice flourishing arms here on this dance. We go 1, 2, 3, pas de bourrée. Now go to corner 7. Now side 3, corner 8, and pas de bourrée back to corner 6. Now you're going to do a pas de bourrée under, pas de bourrée, and you're going to close in a shallow 4th to get momentum to do a pas de bourrée en tournant. And it's the first 2 steps of pas de bourrée. So it goes pas de da into 4th position. This is an inside turn. Step the left foot forward, and you're going to do a cabriole and steps stretch. And then there's a second group that will do that exact same part. So the next part starts upstage. Your right leg is back in classical pose. And you're going to come through with a basic port de bras into an arabesque, first arabesque, step to 6, step to 1. Repeat on the other side. Corner 5, step to the corner, step in front. Now here's our arabesque turn to corner 6, turn, step, step, fondue, rond de jambe, and you're going to transfer and roll your wrist into 3rd arabesque. Let me step back so you can see that. 3rd arabesque there. And that's the second part completed. The 3rd part is going to be done in a circle or en ménage, and you'll start with the left leg front, and we're going to do a pas de chat with straight legs. You're going to step on your left and go right, left, step 1, 2, step left, and do a pas de bourrée en tournant. And you'll repeat that going right, stepping right, brush left, right, step, step, and go right. Balance en tournant. This will put you in your corner 6, and you'll do a balance devant. 1, 2, 3, and back, turn. That will be a balance en tournant. You're going to do a posé chaîné. 1, 2, step, and right here you're going to turn your palm through and extend. So you have this line, and you're facing your corner 6, and the left arm is forward, back, right arm back, so you're in a first arabesque, like that. And that finishes that section. Good job. Keep practicing.